I never thought about it that way. It's my favorite thing to hear from a participant at a seminar or a workshop I'm facilitating. I'm all about shifting perspectives. And change is an elusive thing for many, many people. Awareness is key, but awareness alone can do nothing. You need persistence, you need repetition, you need willingness, you need courage. This all is what creates change. And when it comes down to it, change in terms of how we deal with relationships is extremely difficult. However, there are really amazing, easy tools to facilitate change within your workplace culture that I'm here to provide you. Hi there, I'm Victoria Lorient-Faibish. I'm a relationship expert. I'm a registered psychotherapist, and I have been witnessing transformations both at my office and in seminars and workshops for the better part of 20 years. I've written a couple of books to really document the work that I do. The first one is called Find Your Self Culture, moving from depression and anxiety to monumental self-acceptance and connecting. Rewire your relationship culture. And this is what I am passionate about. It's all about rewiring the relationship culture of humans in their personal life, but also in their workplace cultures and lives. I provide tools and hacks and user-friendly methodologies to improve workplace culture and workplace relationship dynamics. One thing I do bring that is quite different is I have over 8 years of education in Eastern-based holistic modalities, and so when I come to an organization or to a conference, I bring in mindfulness and breath work and holistic mind, body, spirit tools and techniques to facilitate transformation at a deeper level. We're not just talking heads, we're minds, we're bodies, we're souls, we're all of the above. And so that really, I find, helps to facilitate integration and transformation much more effectively. The truth is that when we go into work as our corporate selves, as our work selves, our relationships are just as impacted by our human experience, by our human nature. So this is why it is so important to have someone who's an expert in the field of relationships to come into your company, to come into your organization, and help people to navigate the world of relationships in a healthy way. I speak about all kinds of interesting things, but the thing that I'm most excited about is helping people with boundaries, understanding the difference between healthy boundaries and unhealthy boundaries, helping people to understand that there is a biology to change. And I really talk about managing conflict in a way that is healthy. Relationship Rescue 911 is what I like to call one of my workshops, just so you know. The bottom line is that when we experience good boundaries, good ways of navigating conflict, we eliminate the toxicity, and so the company is well affected. And evidence has shown this, studies have shown this, and immune systems improve. And so improving the relationship culture of a company, of a workplace, is what gets me up in the morning.